Hello everyone, my name is Jacques Lutia. Today I am here to continue explaining about the structure and the properties of numbers. So if now, going back to our number 5, if I had to represent these levels of variability, so we have number 5, and we said we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So that's all for number 5. So we have how many levels here? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see number 5 here is sitting also on a certain level, which is level 0. Therefore, if we want to know the number of levels of number 5, we will get 5 plus 1. For any number, we will get the number plus 1. Here is our most important formula, born now. This is the beginning of the mathematics that I promised to you. N plus 1. It's going to resolve all the problems that general relativity and quantum mechanics had. This n plus 1 is the key in information technology. So, I would like you to understand better again these levels of variability, and one of the properties of number that I would like you to know, because this is the base, and I would like to tell you my short story, because this is where everything started. So the idea that gave birth to everything I'm saying here comes from this thought experiment, and this started when I was 5 years old. I didn't go yet to school at the time. I would like to tell you that my father passed away when I was just a baby, and my mother had to remarry. Then we moved to a new village, and there my stepfather decided to build a new female house. He had already a house, a nice house, but we had to build a new female house. Then he invited his friends to build the house. Then there, I observed one thing that these two friends were doing. First, they laid the foundation. Then they started with 1 brick. This is normal. They put 1 brick. Then, before they will put the second brick here on top, because we build upward, then they had to add first a second brick, on the first row. Then they will add 2. Why? Because the bricks, in order to be stable, and they have to sit on at least 2 bricks. Each brick must sit on 2 bricks. Then in order for them to put a brick on the next row, which is third row, they had to go 1, 2, 3. Fourth row, fourth brick here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see, each time we have to go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is it so? Etc. Anyway, why is it so? Because this brick, let's talk about number 5. Brick number 5 cannot be here without the support of all the bricks below it. If you remove only one brick here, the whole structure here will crumble and 5 will lose its position. So, the more bricks below, the more value a brick has. So here we say that the value of a brick depends on all the bricks below it. For example, if you consider number 5 here, number 5 brick is sitting on how many bricks? You get 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. That's 14 bricks. So the value of 5 here is not 5. Because we used to know 5 is 5. No. The value of 5 here, it depends on all these bricks below it. Let's talk about a president of a nation. The value of that president depends on all its supporters. For example, if a president cannot meet the number of seats in Congress, that president has no power of decision making. Yes or not? The president has no power if he has no people below him. So the same, number 5 here has no power if there is no 1, no 2, no 3, no 4 below him. So if you want to understand it, I will show you this. This is an antenna and it has segments. We have in all, I think here there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So numbers are like this. I can, you see, my piece can become reducing from 8 and going down, become 1 piece only. So this is a piece of 8. The value of this is 8. And when I open it, you see, this is 8. And numbers are like this. So inside number 8, there is 7, there is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what we call 8. So 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. 5 is not just 5. And that's where relativity plays in numbers. So if you understand this notion, we will change the world. Only with this thought, we will change the world. Because what it is giving to us, it's so big. And you are going to see it here. Therefore, we say that the value of a number depends on all the numbers below it. And this is the main thought that led to this discovery.